Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a gorgeous Indian glam makeup look that's perfect for this wedding season. I'll show you how you can achieve this flawless look. Let's jump right into the eyes. I'm starting with brushing and shaping my brows. Next, I'm using a soft neutral shade as my base color over the lids. Now adding a pink shade onto the lids to match my outfit. Now for that festive touch, I'm applying some glitters to the center for a pop. Now let's add a little drama with a winged liner. Using this liner from Inglot, this really enhances my look. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm applying false lashes for that beautiful flutter. And now that our eyes are done, let's move on to the skin. So first things first, skin prep is the key. I'm using a hydrating oil from K-Beauty to keep my skin glowy. This is a primerizing oil, so we are not using any primer after this one. I'm just going to apply a pore filler on the pores. Now let's correct any dark circles with a concealer. I'm using this concealer from Stars Cosmetics, and after applying, I'll blend it with a damp blender for a flawless finish. So now I'm not feeling any need for foundation. So for some definition, I'll use a cream contour to sculpt my cheekbones and jawline. Now it's time for a pop of color. I'm using a soft blush on the apple of my cheeks for a fresh look. Now I'm going in with a concealer to brighten up my under eyes area, around the lips and forehead. Now to set everything and lock in my makeup, I'm using a baking powder. This one is from Huda Beauty. While I'm baking, I'll quickly finish the lower lashes using the same soft brown eyeshadow. After that, it's time to add some more blush using this peach powder blush from Forever 52. For the lips, I'm using a beautiful blushed nude shade from Huda Beauty, and I'll top it off with a gloss for that extra shine. Finally, turn for my favorite part of makeup, that's highlighting. Now using this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, applying it to my cheekbones, eyebrow bone and forehead. And lastly, using a setting spray from Tarte Cosmetics, this will lock in my makeup and keep it fresh all day. And here you have it, my complete festive makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and see you in the next one.